Let's get the latest on the Weather Authority alert. Josh has been busy all day.
So, Michael, this is what I'm really thinking with this event, okay? This is a lot of alerts, a lot of information here.
It is.
I want to break it down literally into dollars and cents. I'll go over the wall and show you my example here. Michael, I really think this system, it seems a bit overwhelming, okay? So in my left hand right here, I've got a nickel and a dime, and I think a lot of time that's what Syracuse is going to deal with snowfall. Get nickeled and dimed, meaning not a lot. But every once in a while, we're going to get hit with $1 of snow, and it may be an hour, it could be a half hour, an inch, half an inch. That's the real story here. So that's the best thing I can do to explain what's going to be happening with the snow with this event. Also, wind's going to be a factor, and temperatures of the surface, at least tonight and tomorrow, will be a factor. All right, winter storm warnings. Onondaga, Oswego, Oneida, Madison, Shenango, Cortland counties. I really think it's kind of like the Tug Hill area of these counties, the hills south of Syracuse in Onondaga County, and also the central southern half of Madison County. The 2/3 of Madison County are really going to see the more snowfall out of this event. We also winter weather advisory areas west of Syracuse that have already started through 4 a.m. Friday. Nothing to show you right now on Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falls So Service Experts. Look at these temperatures, 35 degrees right now in Syracuse. That's because we now have a southerly wind flow keeping the temperatures up, and I think they're going to stay up. I'm going to get right over to the first snowfall forecast map. This one here is part one. I'm going to stop this for us so we don't have to see the animation so much. This is the first part of the snowfall. Now I'm going to zoom in to areas south of Syracuse. This is from tonight at 7 p.m. through 7 a.m. Thursday. Look at the aqua shading there, okay? 1 to as much as 4 inches in the hills. Syracuse area, a trace to an inch. That's just part one, all right? Areas south of the Tug and the Adirondacks seeing maybe more 4 to 8. A couple of hill towns over 4 inches. That's just tonight. So not a lot here in Syracuse. Part two would take us into 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thursday. There could be a little bit more robust snow amounts, maybe 1 to 4 inches, including Syracuse. This is daytime snow tomorrow. Now, mind you, there's going to be some wind around, blowing the snow, picking it up, dumping it somewhere else. And that hazard of travel, maybe more of the blowing snow and some whiteouts at times versus actual snow amounts. Okay, part three of the snow trilogy, Syracuse area. This is 7 p.m. Thursday through 7 a.m. Friday, maybe on a trace to inch, but more lake effect. Hills south and east here, Madison County, southern, southeastern Onondaga County, a new 4 to 8. Some spots down this way by Friday morning could be seeing upwards of a foot. I don't think a foot of snow will fall in Syracuse. I think it's going to be more of that 2, 3, 4 inches max over the next, say, day and a half. Okay, temperatures 30s for tomorrow, but feeling like the 20s at times. Blowing snow will knock down your visibility for a while there. Friday, the 29. The weekend, we look much better. And next week, we're going to be warming things up. Look at that, 45, 55, heating up with some rain around next week, too. You can brighten the holiday for a child in need this season. CNY Central and the United States Marine Corps Reserve are once again partnering for our Toys for Tots campaign. Through December 11th, you can drop off a new unwrapped toy at Charles Heating or CNY Medical Professionals, or come to our Toys for Tots drive-thru in our parking lot at 1030 James Street in Syracuse on Thursday, December 12th from 5 to 6:30 p.m.